Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Friday, March 12, 2021. It is 8:58 and 55 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, mosquito protein. So let's hop to it here. Study of mosquito protein could lead to treatments against life-threatening viruses. Date March 10, 2021. Source, National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences. Summary. The mosquito protein AEG12 strongly inhibits the family of viruses that cause yellow fever, dengue, West Nile, and Zika, and weakly inhibits coronaviruses, according to scientists. The researchers found that AEG12 works by destabilizing the viral envelope, breaking its protective covering. The findings could lead to therapeutics against viruses that affect millions of people around the world. Scientists at the National Institute of Environmental Sciences used X-ray crystallography to solve the structure of AEG12. AEG12 rips out the lipids, or the fat-like portions of the membrane that holds the virus together. It is as if AEG12 is hungry for the lipids that are in the virus membrane, so it gets rid of some of the lipids it has and exchanges them for the ones it really prefers. The protein has high affinity for viral lipids and steals them from the virus. As a result, researchers say the AEG12 protein has great killing power over some viruses. While the researchers demonstrated that AEG12 is most effective against flaviviruses, the family of viruses to which Zika, West Nile, and others belong, it is possible AEG12 could be effective against SARS-CoV-2, the coronavirus that causes COVID-19. But researchers say it will take years of bioengineering to make AEG12 a viable therapy for COVID-19. Part of the problem is AEG12 also breaks open the red blood cells. So researchers will have to identify compounds that will make the protein target viruses only. Researchers explain that mosquitoes produce AEG12 when they take a blood meal or become infected with flaviviruses. Like humans, mosquitoes mount a vigorous immune response against these viruses, with AEG12 bursting their viral covering. But, at the beginning of the project, researchers knew little about the function of AEG12. The prospect of studying a new protein is exciting, yet daunting, researchers say. Thankfully, researchers had enough clues and access to a wide range of expertise at NIEHS to piece it together. Researchers routinely use information about a molecule's physical makeup in their work and encourages more scientists to consider using this data in their studies. Researchers show that understanding the structure of a protein can be important in figuring out what it does and how it can help treat disease. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.